Hello fellow drivers, I want to quickly show you how to wire and install your MNVR 3 to 8 camera DVR live viewing system. You'll see here that you'll start off with your black box. You do have the capability to add your own external hard drive. You're able to use memory cards. It has a dual SD slot here, 2 SD slots. This will be where you put your SIM card, of course your key, and your light icons here. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we plug in your GPS, 3G, 4G, and Wi-Fi antenna. So you do have your GPS antenna that's included, which will be this one. Of course, this will just plug in here, plug in there, like that. And then your 4G and Wi-Fi. So you have your 4G antenna and your Wi-Fi antenna all included. Next thing you want to do is plug in your 4-pin LCD. You can connect it directly here. If that is not enough cable, which it probably is not in your semi, you'll use the extended cable that's included. So you'll put your 4-pin extended cable in like this. Plug that in there. Then you'll use your 4-pin connected here. So that'll be your LCD. It comes standard with the 7. You can always upgrade to a 10-inch. Next thing you want to do is connect your cameras. It does come with 4 of these camera cables. AV1 will be for cameras 1 and 2. There we go, this one. You'll see there's some indentions here that'll connect here. So plug that in there. So this will be camera 1 and 2. Once again, it does come with your extension cables here. So all you would do is put in camera 1, plug that in there. And you can, once again, you can choose the cable length at checkout. So you have cable here. And you'll just select your camera. Get your bracket camera here. And you'll just connect it like that. It does come with rubber casing, so you can prevent that from hitting your metal on your truck. So that is how you would connect your cameras to your cable box. So AV1, it would connect 1 and 2 cameras, extension, camera cable. Now that you have your LCD connected, you will have your 3 antennas connected, cameras. Next thing you want to do is make sure you power your device. It does come with a short, and it does come with a long power cable. You want to make sure you plug it in, 4-pin here, plug it into the back like that. Once you've plugged it in, you'll then want to use a ground. Most people will connect this directly to the battery or a power source, but you do want to make sure you do tie in the red and yellow together and directly connect this to your power source. Typically it's a battery or any power source that stays constantly on. So that is how you power it. Once you have everything connected, the device will fully turn on. It will be powered, but it will not fully turn on until you insert your key and actually lock the device. So once again, it'll be powered. It'll have power, but it actually won't turn on until you put this in the lock position. So make sure it is locked. Once you have it locked, you'll see that all your power will turn on. Your camera, your LCD, does come with your remote for your LCD as well. So that is your quick version on how to install and wire your MNVR 3 to 8 camera system. Thank you for watching.